Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Mr. Duke, and then today we're talking about how to deal with exploded views. So, as you can see, this exploded view here kind of looks like the instructions to a Lego set. The exploded view shows how the parts and pieces all fit together, right? And that's what we're going to try to build today, right now. All right. So, let's get started. You are in an assembly mode. I'm going to reset here to isometric. And then over here off to the side, got a little set of some menus. Yours might look a little bit different, but one of the menus that you should have, right, it says exploded views. I'm going to click on that. And down here, I'm going to add exploded view. I've already got two, but we're going to add another one for you guys. Okay. Now the exploded view is going to take parts and pieces here, and we're going to move them out, right, as if this cube was going to explode out onto the screen. So the first part I want to move is this orange piece. I'm going to select it, but then I'm going to come over here to my instances. I'm going to click on the entire piece here. And then now using these arrows, I'm going to drag the part out as if I was actually going to remove it physically in real life. I'm going to slide it out this way. You can adjust how far to go. You can even tell it how far to go with your distances here. And when you are done with that move, you hit OK. So that was my first step. If I wanted to do a secondary move, like bring that down, for example, I can take my arrow, drag it down a little bit. There we go. All right. So it looks like the next piece I would probably need to remove is this red one right here. I'm going to click, and that happens to be my puzzle piece number one. And that looks like it would naturally slide out to the side. So I'm going to click and drag it out. And I'm just going to hit OK. To spin around a little bit to see what I would do next. And it looks like I would probably want this purple piece to come out third. I'm going to click on the purple piece, and that happens to be my puzzle piece number 5. It's selected here in the instances. And that looks like it would be pulled outwards again. I'm going to slide that out. All right. Hit the checkbox. And out of the two that I've got left, I think I would probably want to move my blue one. I'm going to click on blue. That happens to be my puzzle piece number 2. I'm going to slide that outwards. Hit OK. And so that's my exploded view. It shows me what parts and pieces I need to go where in order to recreate my assembly. When you're finished, hit done. And now you can go and kind of play this in reverse. I want to show you step 5, step 4. Whoops. Step 4 shows me moving in that blue piece. Step 3 shows me bringing in the purple. Step 2 shows me bringing in the red. And finally, step 1, oops, brings it up. Because remember, we had 2 moves on that one. And then finally assembled again. Right? So this is your cheat sheet. This creates your solutions to how to put together your puzzle cube. Because inevitably you're going to need to figure out how to put it back together. And if you're like me, you're going to quickly forget, or especially after a few days, few weeks, few months, you're not going to remember. So these exploded views will help you figure out how to put them